The question on everyone's mind, can it really do this? Can a luxury SUV conquer the challenge of a river and make it back to land? Let's find out. As the U8 glides into the water, you can't help but feel the suspense build. This is no ordinary SUV. It's powered by BYD's revolutionary E-Quad motor system, giving each wheel independent control. Imagine the precision. It's like watching a professional swimmer adjust every stroke for perfect balance. The vehicle doesn't just float. It moves calmly but confidently, like it belongs there. But here's where it gets really interesting. The U8 is designed to handle emergencies with its amphibious mode, allowing it to float and propel itself through water. Waterproofing? Check. Advanced stability systems to keep it upright? Double check. This isn't just about surviving. It's about thriving in an environment where most vehicles wouldn't dare go.